The Simp composite is hugging the $1,000 line by a thread. 6 names in the red against 3 in the green tells you bulls are outnumbered and running out of excuses. I'm Samuel Simp at the simpx.exchange desk, where we track every dollar flowing from men to women across a market cap of $1.3 trillion. Date is the lone bright spot, up 2%, while glam bleeds out at the bottom. And frankly, if you came into Q3 looking for glamour, the market has an opinion about that.
The sponsor economy is putting up a 3.2% gain on 694 points today, which means men everywhere are technically appreciating in value faster than most municipal bonds. I'm Queen Diva at the sponsor economy desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, tracking $537 billion in committed female capital this midday session. 4 names advancing against 3 declining, with Kicks leading the charge at $137 up and Pair dragging the portfolio down 167. So the shoes are winning, but apparently somebody is still fumbling the relationship.
5 sectors in the red, and the one sector men apparently care most about, their own faces, is leading the losses at negative 3.14%, which tracks. I'm Zach Grindset at the Grindset Index desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where the composite sits at 637.38, up a hair at 17 basis points on $940 billion in tracked cap. Breadth is lousy, 4 advancing against 5 declining, though Riz is doing its best to hold this market's chin up at positive 85 basis points. Meanwhile, Looks is having a rough afternoon, and that's before you factor in the halt it needed earlier today just to collect itself after a 21.4% intraday swing that, frankly, none of us are healed from yet.
Simp economy men are outspending every other demographic on the board today, carrying a $1.297 trillion market cap that dwarfs the sponsor economy's $537 billion and the Grindset index's $940 billion combined. Though Simp is the only major index in the red, sliding 0.8%, while women are quietly printing gains with Spawn up 3.2%, suggesting the return on emotional investment remains as asymmetric as ever. Grind is essentially flat at plus 0.17%, meaning men investing in themselves are holding steady. Worth noting that the Look sector within the Grindset index triggered a circuit breaker earlier today on a minus 21.4% intraday swing, which is the kind of volatility that makes you wonder if Looks maxing just had a bad morning in the mirror. The full data, the full picture, and presumably the full explanation for why women are the only ones booking real Q3 gains, all of it lives at simpx.exchange.